Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Whitney. In today's video I am going to show you how I do my everyday makeup look and also transition it into the Valentine look. So I'm just applying the oil on my face. Then I am using my primer from E.l.f. Using the antioxidant booster drops also from E.l.f. So the next what I'm going to use is my color corrector. I don't remember where I got it from, the brand E.l.f. I'm using that. Then I am going to mix the Kat Von D foundation and the E.l.f. foundation. So I'm mixing these two together. 2 pumps each. Now I'm going to do my brow. Is from Maybeline. I'm going to use the color correcting in the brow. Oops. So now I am also going to use the eye primer, and it's also from E.l.f. It's actually not a eye primer, it's just their paint box. I have been using that as an eye primer for a while now. And now for my eyeshadow, I am going to use the Cargo Cosmetics, and I'm using Reindeer. I'm using the Reindeer. Then I am going to using the Reindeer to transition. Then I will use the Finland. So now I am going to put my, what's this called? I have forgotten the name. There's no color corrector. We have foundation. Then we have concealer. I am going to put the concealer under my eye, and the concealer I am using Fenty Caramel. I am going to set my concealer with the Mercier. So I'm going to use so the powder doesn't ruin my top. So now I am going to use my face powder from Almay. going to contour with the sleek contour. And I am going to put in my blush from Tarte, Feisty. Then I am going to do my highlighter, highlighter, and it's from Becca. It's the champagne pop. So by the way, I will list everything, like all the products that I used, I will list it below just in case you are interested. And my daughter broke it, and so it's all shattered. Like, I'm not ready to let it go. It's I really like this highlighter. So now I'm going to put the setting spray all over my face before I put my eyeliner, and I use the mascara. As usual, my setting spray is from E.l.f. I'm going to go in with my eyeliner, and this is from Stila. Done with my eyeliner. To use my black pencil under my eye as well. To use my mascara. And I'm using CoverGirl. So this is all done. My daily lipstick, lip gloss, okay. So I added some false eyelashes on. I am very bad in putting on false eyelashes, so I had to take time to put it on. And yeah, these ones are from Kiss to give it that dramatic night looks. And I am going to use MAC Ruby Woo, my all-time favorites, and the lip pencil also from MAC. You can see I really use it a lot, and is the chestnut. So yeah, going to clean the lips with a little concealer. Today I seem to forget the word concealer because all done.